Hello everyone, welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's session we will be starting from question number 8 of exercise 11.3 of your NCERT maths. Okay, so the question is, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meters. So let me make a figure here. So tabletop is there, which is a circle in size whose diameter is equal to 1.6 meter. Okay, so find the cost of polishing. You have to find the cost of polishing if the rate of the polishing is rupees 15 meter square. Now here what you are going to find? You are going to find the circumference or area. I will say it as area because in the question it is given the cost of 1 meter square. Meter square indicates that it is area. In case of area, the unit is meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, right? So wherever you see meter square, then that indicates a area. So first of all, what you are going to write? Let us write diameter of a circular tabletop is equal to 1.6 meter. Yes, isn't it? So now what will be the radius? Its radius will be 1.6 divided by 2, which will be equal to 0.8 meter. Right, you got the radius. Now you have to find the area. You have to find the area. So area of circular tabletop is equal to pi r square. Yes, so what is the value given? 3.14, not 22 by 7. So be careful, okay, whenever you are using the pi value. So pi value here is 3.1. I have already used. The radius here will be 0.8, which we are going to use 2 times 0.8 into 0.8. So when you multiply this, you'll get the answer as 2.0096 meter square, or you may write 2.00 simply. Okay, so this will be your area. So why did we find area? Because over here the 15 meter per square is given, so this is our biggest hint. That means we are going to find the area. Now what was this question? Find the cost of polishing a circular table. That means you have to find the whole area first of all, then you will find the cost of the polishing. To polish this circular table top, how much cost you have to pay? So let us write like this. So cost of 1 meter square. So let me occupy the space down there. So cost of 1 meter square polishing is equal to rupees 15. Okay, that means 15 meter square means it is 15 per meter square, means for 1 meter square they have to pay rupees 15. Now what is your area? You got the area as cost of 2.0096 meter square polishing is equal to 15 into 2.0096. So now when you multiply this, you'll get rupees 30.144 rupees they have to pay. That means the area was small, which was 2.0096. I hope you know how to multiply this two, right? So most of the students face a problem, I know that. So you have to practice for that. So how I'm getting this? I'm using here off side 2.0096. So okay, so whenever you are multiplying this type of a decimal, whenever the decimal is there, first of all your main aim is to remove the decimal. Okay, write down the 1 below. After the decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 40. Now you start deducting. 96 divided by 1000. You may multiply this and divide by 1000, or you may cut like this. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Now this cannot divide this, so you may use 2 table here, 200s. With this will be little bit lengthier part, but you will feel easy to do so. Or you may multiply 15 into 20096 and then divide by 1000, which will be also easy. You'll get the answer 30.11144. Okay, so this is the way of doing the calculation. So do not make a mistake anywhere. All right, so let us now proceed to question number 9. So here we have the question number 9. Sahil took a wire of length 44 meter. So Sahil took a length of 44 meter length. Okay, so the length of the wire is 44 meter and bent it in the shape of a circle. Now this length long wire is now what Sahil is doing is Sajli, sorry, it was Sajli actually. Sajli. So Sajli, what she is doing, this length she converted into circle. Okay, now you have to find the radius of the circle. Okay, that means 44 meter means this is the boundary, no? So this is the total surface it will make. That is the total wire which is 44 meters. So it is a circumference given. So you may write directly circumference. So wherever you see the length, then you will consider it as a circumference. Okay, so circumference of circle is equal to 44 meter. That is your perimeter is a 44 meter. Sorry, centimeter, and bend it into now you have to find the radius. So what is the formula of the circumference? 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. You may not write unit. So pi value here is given. Pi value here, yes, it is given that 22 by 7. So you have to use the pi value 22 by 7. So what I did here, I put the formula of circumference. Okay, and I wrote the value, that is circumference given. So now you have to find the r, which is 44. Sorry, you have to find the r and the circumference given is 44. So now what we will do, 2 into 22 is 44 into r is equal to 44 into 7. Understood what I did? This 7 I brought here and I multiplied 2 into 22. I hope you understand this is the simplest one, right? Multiplication is what you have to clear easily. These parts are very easy, right? So 44 gets deducted. So your r value is 7 centimeter. Now you got a radius. That is the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Alright. Now the question changes here. If the same wire, now this same wire, he is bending it in the shape of a square. Now first of all he converted into the circle. Now they asked us to find the radius. We found 7 centimeter. Now they are asking us that they are saying that the wire was converted into now square. Okay, then what we have to find, what will be the length of each side. That means you have to find each side. So still we know that here perimeter of a square, perimeter of square is given here, that is 44 meter, sorry, centimeter. That is the boundary is given. What is the formula of perimeter square? 4 into a is equal to 44. Yes, perimeter square I am using the formula here and the value given here 44. So the trick is that only, right? So now we have to find the side. A is equal to 44 by 4. This 4 will come down now. 4 1s are 4, 4 11s are 44. So a value is 11. That is the each side consists of 11 centimeter. Here you have to use the unit, which is very important. Now what will be the length of each side of the square? We got that. Which figure encloses more area? That means you have to find the area of the circle. Let me write here for a circle. Area of circle is equal to, for this, is equal to pi r square. Pi value here is 22 by 7. R value given here is 7 square. So 7 gets deducted, or let me write 2 7 here, which will be easy for you to understand. Why I am writing 2 times? Because radius here is r square. So okay, clear with this thing. So 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Now we got the area of the circle. Yes, which was 154 centimeter square. Now let us find the perimeter, area of square. Area of square formula is, area of the square formula is a square, side into side. Or you may write side square or side into side. Any one, a square or side into side. So all will be equal. Now side given here is 11 into 11, which is 121 centimeter square. Now you can easily identify, right, which figure is enclosing more area. Of course, the area of the circle is more here. So you can write that, therefore, circle encloses more area. which is 154 centimeter square. Understood what we did? First of all, the wire was converted into circle. The circumference was given. Why? Because the length was 44 meter. So that indicates it was a circumference. Now again, perimeter of this, the wire was converted into square, which is again the perimeter, which is 44. Now using that, we found the radius here. Here we found the side here. Then we found area one by one. First of all, we did this. The second here. The third part was to find the area of both the figure. Then the last to compare between this, the fifth part. There was 5 questions together in one sums, right? So you have to be very careful, understand the question very well, make a figure first, then the concept will be easy for you all. Okay, so let us now proceed to question number 10. Here we have the question number 10. The question is, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, 2 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and rectangle of length 3 centimeters and breadth 1 centimeters are removed. That means one circle is there. Okay, from that circle, 2 circles, small circles are made, which was of radius of 3.5, and another one was rectangle. You can see the smiley, right? So one circle was there. From there, small 2 circles was made, and so you can see sometimes you make a chapati, right? So you play with that, isn't it? So you made a hole, 2 hole, and you made a rectangular like this, which was a happy smiley, right? So this was the actual figure. Now after removing, so now every parts are given. That is, the radius of this small circle is given, both, and the radius of the larger circle is also given. You have to be very clear with this. And this rectangle of length 3 centimeter and the breadth 1 centimeter was also given, is also given in the question. Now you have to find the area of the remaining sheet. Now this part are already removed. Now what will be the area of this circle? It's very easy. Okay, just you have to be careful whenever you are doing. Just read the question first of all, or first of all list out whatever is given. You'll write like this. So radius of the circular card sheet. Circular card sheet means this bigger circle, which is of 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now next, let us write a radius of 2 small circle. Why did I write 2 small circle? Because there are 2 small circle, right? So you may write 3.5 centimeter for each. Now next is a rectangle, which has a length of 3 centimeter, which has a breadth of the rectangle is 1 centimeter, which is of 1 centimeter. Now what you'll do, first of all you'll find the total area. Okay, you'll find the total area of one circle without removing this. Then we will remove one by one. Okay, so you may write area of a circular card sheet. That is, we are finding the bigger circle one. Okay, where nothing is removed. Now pi r square is the formula, you know that. What is the value of the pi given in the question? It is 22 by 7. Put that only. Okay, it is 22 by 7 into r value given here is 14. So 14 into 14. Yes, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Now 44 into 14 is equal to 616 centimeter square. So I request you all to once calculate this. Okay, so the total area is actually of 616 centimeter square. Okay, now we will find the area of this 2 small circle, area of the rectangle, then we will minus with this. Okay, so let me write here, there is no space, so I am using the space. So area of 2 small circles is equal to 2 into pi r square. Yes, for one it is pi r square, another will be pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. So you may multiply like this also, 2 into pi r square. It is multiplication sign. Okay, So 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. R value given here is, small circle is 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5. So now when you multiply this, no, you'll get the answer as 77 centimeter square. Like what we can do is remove the point, write down 10 there, remove the point, write down 10 there. 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 2 will be deducted again, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are, now 11 7s is 77, 11 7s is 77, no? So you make it like this also. Calculation is very important, I'm telling you again and again, otherwise you will face a problem, okay? Now you got the area of the two small circle. Now you will find the area of the rectangle. So let me write in the next page. So area of rectangle, formula is length into breadth. Yes. What is the value of the length given? 3. Yes. Into 1, which is 3 centimeter square. Now calculate. You have to find what they have asked us to find. You have to find the area of the remaining sheet. That is this part. After removing this, what will be the area? The actual area is 616 centimeters square. Now after removing this parts, what will be their area? That we have to find. It's easy. So let us write area of the remaining part is equal to card sheet area, whatever the actual area, minus area of two small circles. There are two small circles plus one rectangle are there, right? So what was the card sheet area? 616 actual, minus what are the area of the small circle? The area of the small circle was 77, plus what was the area of the rectangle? 3. So 616 minus 77 plus 3 is 80. So when you subtract this, you'll get 536 centimeter square as the answer. Understood what I did? The concept is very easy. So area of the remaining part we were supposed to find. That is after removing this two circle and after removing this one rectangle. That means the area of the two small square we found. That's why. And plus area of the rectangle also we found, which we got 77 centimeter. So what is the area of the small remaining part after removing this two r is 536 centimeter square. Okay. So if you have not understood, kindly rewind the video once again. If I'm moving very fast, kindly rewind the video and listen the format, listen the way of doing, see the way of doing properly. Okay. So let us now proceed to question number 11. Here we have the question number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece. A circle of 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? So one circle is there, a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut from a square piece. So one square piece of aluminium sheet is there, okay, which is of side 6 centimeter, of each of 6 centimeter given. Now from there, what they are doing is they are cutting the radius of 2 centimeter. That is, they are cutting the radius of 2 centimeter, and what you have to find here is what is the area of the leftover part. So now after removing this, the hole will be there. Now what will be the area of this remaining part of the aluminium sheet? Okay, so it is very easy. First of all, you will find the area of the square. First of all, you will find the area of the square, what we did in the previous question. Then you will find the area of this square. The radius is already given. So list out radius is equal to radius of circle is equal to 2 centimeter. Yes. Now area of the square formula is a square. A square is 6 into 6, which is 36 centimeter. This part I am doing it very roughly. After getting the square, you'll find the area of the circle also, then subtract it. Okay, easy, no? After doing so, you'll get the answer. Now question number 11, I am leaving this as a home assignment. Now You have to solve it using your brain there. Okay, list out whatever is given. First of all, you will find the area of the square, then find the area of the circle, subtract it. Simple. Now let us now proceed to question number 12. Question number 12 says that the circumference of the circle is 31.4 centimeter. So that means one circle is there which has a circumference of 31.4 centimeter. That is, the circumference is given. Find the radius. What is the formula of the circumference? Circumference formula is 2 pi r. What is given? The given value is circumference, that is 31.4 is equal to 2 into, here you have to use the pi value as 3.14 into r. You'll get the answer, radius now. So radius is equal to, I am writing everything, okay, just check it out, the answer. Okay, I'm leaving this part as a home assignment because I want you all to solve this part. 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14. If you see this number 31.4 and 3.14, after removing the decimal, you'll get the answer. So after solving it, you will find the radius also. Only you have to find the radius and nothing else. Okay, and you have to find, sorry, not only radius, you have to find the area of the circle also. You know the formula of area of circle. What is the formula? The formula is pi r square. Put the value of pi, 3.14. You'll get the radius from here. So this much for today. In our next class, we will be proceeding with question number 13. Okay.